Chief Minister N. Biren distributes branded boots and belts to Manipur police personnel, calls on authorities concerned for a corruption-free transfer or posting, recruitment and promotion of police personnel. And Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu laments over increase of road mishaps in the state by 22% despite various road safety measures being in place. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News, and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren distributed boots and belts of Liberty brand to Manipur police personnel today. The police personnel's important uniform items were handed over to concerned commanders and SPs of 37 units of Manipur Police at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade ground. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren called upon the authorities concerned to strive for corruption-free distribution of uniforms, corruption-free transfer, posting, recruitment and promotion of the police personnel. Biren said the uniform items could have been distributed at the DGP level, but the government distributed the items today to avoid repeating the earlier incident of issuance of substandard belts to the police personnel. 24,827 pairs of black-colored ankle boots, 1,024 brown-colored leather shoes for Assistant Sub-Inspector ASI, 1,735 black leather shoes for Women Police Constable, 845 leather shoes for CID personnel, 11,262 olive green jungle boots to 24,828 leather belt, black and crest, and 1,024 brown-colored leather belts for ASI were distributed at the event. Ministers and MLAs attended the event.
Sacrifice the best example the city revenue resource what best level hard working police officer, intelligence police officer, promotion की करेगी ना हमी जाबी जूनियर का हंडी सीनियर नंबर दिए तो जोड़ेगा तो मिलेगा मशीना टोटल सर्विस तो वो मतलब मोरल डाउन हो गई प्रमोशन को मतलब वो मतलब आई एक ही बारी बताएगी एक ही चीज़ तो इससे बीसी में मशीन कोई we have to stop it immediately है कि जो मेंटेन तो रखना है कोई डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन तो वो हमें duty bound officers हैं ना परफॉर्म तो उनको बोले
Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu has lamented that road mishaps have increased in the state by 22% compared to the previous years despite taking up various road safety measures. While Director General of Police L.M. Kaute urged the government to look into the rising traffic congestions on the major roads of the Imphal city over and above basic traffic rules enforcement. Speaking at the launching of 31st National Road Safety Week 2020, organized by Transport Department in Deolalan today, Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu also said incidents of death due to road mishaps have increased by 13% and road mishap injuries by 15%. He urged the public to abide by traffic rules to avoid road mishaps. Certificates were distributed to commendable traffic control police personnel at the event. A cycle rally carrying the message of road safety was flagged off from the ISBT to pass through Imphal city on the occasion.
In spite of all the efforts which we are making, the people have successfully exceeded the number. Instead of decreasing, the number of accidents in Manipur has increased by 22%. In Manipur, there is a self-imposed discipline that is being practiced. But what is missing here is a lane driving. People are not following the lane driving. Only at the signal, they are holding back at the zebra line. And once it is over, crisscross speed picks up. Everyone to cooperate with the police department and the transport department, and let us see that next year these figures should be in a reverse way.
It's only not road safety that is important, but we also need to think about ways and means of fighting or overcoming this road congestion. The government will have to think ahead, put in a lot of planning into the traffic management of the state. Unless you have proper infrastructure, unless you have proper planning for the roads are bound to be choked.
A team led by Yaripok Block Office Mbirain under supervision of DFO of Divisional Forest Office Taubal Debala Laifrakpam today started inquiry into yesterday's wildfire on the hill slope of Kairimbikok Awang under Guarok Reserved Forest in Taubal district. It may be mentioned that some unknown miscreants started a fire at the reserved forest area yesterday at around 6 p.m. Speaking to media, Yaripok BO Birin termed the incident as unfortunate and appealed to those concerned not to repeat the illegal activity. He added that a wildfire affected around 1 hectare of land in the hill slope and destroyed more than 500 tree saplings. Security has beefed up in Imphal City ahead of the Republic Day celebrations. As a part of security measures, Imphal East District Commando team carried out door-to-door search operations at Purana Rajbari today. Imphal East Commando DSP KH Herojit, Commando OC TH Phulchand and Commando OC in charge Rabib Khan led the team under the overall supervision of Imphal East Additional SP operations. Tej Krishna Tombi and carried out the drive from 7:30 a.m. till 9 a.m. Altogether, 200 individuals were verified during the drive. BJP Kangabok Mandal organized CAA Jagaran Abhiyan at Kangabok today as a part of the BJP's nationwide program on creating awareness on Citizenship Amendment Act CAA. Top leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh attended the event held on a theme, We Support CAA. Spokesperson at the event stressed on the current state of affairs of CAA in the country, including Manipur, and ways to strengthen the BJP. Attendees chanted various slogans loading the BJP Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister N. Biren. Floodlights have been installed at Tangleibung Ground in Oinam of Bishnupur district, inaugurating the event organized by Tangleibung Ground Extension Committee Oinam, Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, MLA L. Radha Kishore said that vamping up of the playground will contribute in driving the local youths towards health and wellness path. With supports from the locals, around 7 lakh rupees worth 36 floodlights have been set up on 8 poles at the playground.
Nisha sabagumba manba, pulap hamba manba, halamansingi, yingmunungaitaba, midnaba, ado makoibu manghadana kiba, adugumba kijabo mafum kaya lakpadagi, koi mafam masida, sanabunga se, semi basi, tunaluisanba, adoga, nimidang matamsi su floodlight hapaga, mafam masida, Pamiba, I couldn't Nisha Abamanba, Tongan, I couldn't Yanghidaba, Yaningdaba Mayam singers, Sanaburum, my own Selasi, Haidana, Kanbagi, Adugumba, Choba, I could manga money.
BJP Booth Level Committee has appealed to revoke the proposed social boycotting of Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra. It has assured that MLS included repair of Khoiru Laikai Mayai Road under Moirang Municipal Ward number 10 in the work program to be taken for the constituency. Speaking to Media Secretary yesterday, BJP Booth Level Committee member Maibram Deepak also appealed to the locals not to duck up the road as it may pose danger in times of unexpected earthquake.
Laikai ima event singna lambi tawkhai duna lambi thingjinba aduga laikai asida MLA changakpa yaroi haibana chingba boycott tawgani haibadu madugi khongpam do handokpiu atuba matamda MLA na laikai sigi lambi asi mayamgi ningba thungnabagi damakta apama mongda tana kupna tanaraga semlaklarani.
On the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on World Future Energy Summit, which begins in Abu Dhabi today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. The World Future Energy Summit will begin today in Abu Dhabi. 33,500 participants from 170 countries and 800 specialist exhibitors are expected to attend the 4-day annual event. The theme for this year's summit is Rethinking Global Consumption, Production and Investment. World Future Energy Summit is the Middle East's largest future energy and sustainability event held annually at Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Center. The 2020 edition includes exhibition and forum programs across 5 main pillars: energy, solar, water, waste and smart cities, hosting an unrivaled gathering of top-level government and business leaders. The event is starting to set an example for best practice, supporting the circular economy through recycling and acting to remove single-use plastics from the event. He also held alongside the World Future Energy Summit at the Climate Innovations Exchange, Clicks for Short, and the Future Sustainability Summit. The event will showcase 42 of the world's most disruptive innovations selected from 1,402 global submissions from 128 countries related to the future of energy, food, agriculture, and sustainability in space. And now the sports news. Players of Kripsa Naramthong who will be participating in the 4th Indian Women's League are practicing at their best. Altogether, 20 players of the team, including 2 goalkeepers, 7 defenders, 6 midfielders and 5 forward players, will be taking part in the league for the 3rd time. They have been practicing at SAI-RC's artificial turf ground in Takil under the guidance of AFC-A licensee L. Chauba as chief coach, AFCC licensee M. Devin and AIFF-D licensee R.K. Janaki Bala as assistant coaches. 12 women team will be competing in the final round of the league, which will commence on January 24th at Sri Kantavira Stadium in Bangalore, out of which 2 winning teams will play in the final match on January 13th. First match of the league will be played between Kripsa Naramthong and Kickstart FC Karnataka on January 24th at 12 noon. Chief coach of Kripsa Naramthong L. Chauba and General Secretary of the football club T.H. Hemchandra strongly believe that their team will emerge as champions of the league.
Howji aigi team sida howji Kripsa sida yariba team si player tare si howji current in the senior Indian team da yariba adugumba player tare yauri team sibu lead tawudir bisi Dangmai Grace, one of the best player in India. Haidana mayam na count toriba adugumba Dangmai Grace, Ratan Bala, defender da Sweetie, adi mathakta Roja Devi, aduga goalkeeper da Lentoingambi Devi na singa mayam ama yauduna participate tawugidumi. Tangkun gamarigi ahanba match pung baroda leiba Karnataka FC ga sanagidumi match sida soidana maki Kripsa na thoigini habigi achoba asa lei.
Aikoi fan constraints yam leirabu hujik government of Manipur na su support tawbire. The donors in support of Vire, Aduna, Yam comfortably chat Pagi, Asada, Nijeri, AIFF na, Akoi other labor court Pagi Dimoy, accommodation and pudding lodging Dimoy, arranged Dore, Satok Jasin, flight charges, player maintenance, Luna Lunana, Koigi, game Tauriba, Koliba, Jixatariba, Tabak Mayam City, Koi Kripsana, Luna born Tojava, a city condition the Nekoina, Tournament, Yauja Duisi.
Kerala Blasters defeated Atletico de Kolkata 80-1-0 in yesterday's match of the ongoing Indian Super League 2019-2020. Halicharan Nazari scored the winning goal at the 70th minute of the match, played at Kolkata's Yuba Bharti Kringaran Salt Lake Stadium last night at 7:30. In the next match, Hyderabad FC will face Odisha FC at Hyderabad GMC Balayogi Athletic Stadium on January 15 at 7:30 p.m. Trow and Arrows 2-0 in yesterday's match of the ongoing Hero ILeague 2019-2020. At Goa's Tilak Maidan, securing itself the 7th berth of the league. For Trow FC, Ngangbam Nauja scored 1 goal at 45th minute and Olarich Princewell Imeke scored the 2nd goal at the 79th minute of the match. There will be no match today. Neroka FC will lock horns with Real Kashmir FC at Imphaal's Kuman Lampak Main Stadium on January 14th at 2 p.m. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren distributes branded boots and belts to Manipur police personnel, calls on authorities concerned for a corruption-free transfer, posting, recruitment and promotion of police personnel. And Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu laments over increase of road mishaps in the state by 22% despite various road safety measures being in place.